Welcome to Lesson 11 of How to Understand 85% of the Quran series. In this lesson, we continue our journey to understand the most frequent verbs in the Quran according to their measure. And we are still learning the last remaining measure, measure number 1. And we have already learned 2 of its variations. And today, we move to variation number 3. And as a quick reminder, variation in this context refers to which vowels will be arranged on each pattern of the first measure. And today's variation is فعل يفعل افعل. And as for the gerund form, we have فعل and فعل. And as you can see, these patterns do not have variations. They will be the same for all the variations of this measure. So let's get started with the first verb that belongs to this variation. The first verb is ضرب, and mainly the meaning of ضرب is to strike or to present, while strike being the more dominant meaning for this verb. However, in the Quran, it is used with the meaning of to present more than its original meaning, to strike. And we see it used with this meaning in this example. وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ قَالَ مَنْ يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ. And as for the other meaning, we see it used in this example. وَإِذِ اسْتَسْقَى مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبْ بِعَصَاكَ الْحَجَرَ. The next verb is حَمَلَ, which means to carry, like in this example. فَلَمَّا تَغَشَّاهَا حَمَلَتْ حَمْلًا خَفِيفًا فَمَرَّتْ بِهِ. The next verb is صَبَرَ, which means to endure or to be patient. We see it used with this meaning in this example. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نَّصْبِرَ عَلَى طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ فَادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ. Next is عَقَلَ, and it means to understand or to use reason. And this verb is very commonly used at the end of verses, like in this example. أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ بِالْبِرِّ وَتَنْسَوْنَ أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ تَتْلُونَ الْكِتَابَ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. The next verb is قَدَرَ, and it means to have power to or over and to decree. We see it used with the first meaning in this example. قُلْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ قَادِرٌ عَلَىٰ أَن يُنَزِّلَ آيَةً وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Next example. وَذَا النُّونِ إِذ ذَهَبَ مُغَاضِبًا فَظَنَّ أَن لَّن نَّقْدِرَ عَلَيْهِ. The next verb is كَسَبَ, and it means to earn, like in this example. بَلَى مَن كسب سيئة وأحاطت به خطيئته فأولئك أصحاب النار. And if you paid good attention to the beginning of this lesson, you will remember that there are two patterns for the gerund form, فعل and فعل. And these verbs, which we have just learned, use the first pattern for the gerund form. So this means we go from ضرب to ضرب, حمل حمل, صبر صبر, and so on. And the coming set of verbs will use the pattern فعل for the gerund form. The first verb is ظلم, and it means to wrong, like in this example. وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ يَا قَوْمِ إِنَّكُمْ ظَلَمْتُمْ أَنفُسَكُمْ بِاتِّخَاذِكُمُ الْعِجْلَ فَتُوبُوا. The next verb is مَلَكَ, and it means to possess, like in this example. قال رب إني لا أملك إلا نفسي وأخي فافرق بيننا وبين القوم الفاسقين. The next verb is غفر, and it means to forgive. And we see it used in this example. ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا. The next verb is كذب, and it means to lie, like in this example. في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون. And finally is the verb عرف, and it means to know or to recognize, like in this example. الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم. Next example. فلما جاءهم ما عرفوا كفروا به فلعنة الله على الكافرين. And finally, and as you should know by now, this lesson will be available in a PDF form in the description. So make sure to click the link to download the PDF file. And also, you will find a printable version for the same lesson. And if you want to learn the words using drills and quizzes, then you can check out the Memorize page of this channel, for which you'll find the link in the description as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 12.